Using Google Wallet's Tap and Pay feature is simple and convenient. Here's how to set it up and use it effectively. Download Google Wallet. Install the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store if it's not already on your device. Set up Google Wallet. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. Add the payment method. Add a credit or debit card to your Google Wallet. Tap on the Add a Card option and you can either scan your card or enter the details manually. Verify the card through the bank's authentication process. Enable NFC. Ensure that NFC is enabled on your device. Go to Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, NFC, and toggle it on. Set Google Wallet as default. Set Google Wallet as your default payment app. Go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Default Apps, Tap and Pay, and select Google Wallet. Making a payment. Unlock your phone. Ensure your phone is unlocked and awake. Tap and Pay. Hold the back of your phone close to the contactless payment terminal. Wait for a confirmation on the terminal and your phone. Confirmation. You might need to enter your card's PIN on the terminal or sign a receipt for verification, depending on the purchase amount. View transactions. Check your transaction history in the Google Wallet tab to keep track of your payments.